Hi everyone. If your Windows 10 time zone setting is grayed out and you can't change it, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it by adjusting a few location settings. Start by opening the Start menu, then click on the gear icon to open Windows settings. Inside Settings, click on Privacy. This is where you'll find the controls that affect time zone options. Now, select Location from the left menu. At the top, make sure Location Access for this device is turned on. Scroll down and turn on location access for apps as well. This helps Windows and other apps update your time zone correctly. Below that, you'll see a list of apps. Turn on location for apps that actually need it, like maps or weather, while leaving others off for privacy. Now go back to date and time settings. You'll notice the time zone option is no longer grayed out, so you can change it manually or let Windows adjust it automatically. And that's it. By turning on location services, you fix the grayed out time zone setting in Windows 10. For more tips to make your PC run smoother, check out the other tutorials on this channel. Thanks for watching.